Okay, this was the test. Test is visible to all. Okay,
Yes,
test
ma'am.
is
Visible.
okay. The first question was write any 4 features of MS Assess. What are the 4 features of MS Assess that you will write in the answer of this question? Yes, anyone? Raise your hands. What are the 4 features of MS Assess that you can write? Yes, Prabsharan, Jasmine. What are the 4 features? Arish, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Preeti.
ma'am.
What are the
Yes,
4
ma'am.
features?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, yes, Arish.
MS Assess provides the facility to break large information into small parts so that it is easy to assess the information.
Correct.
Data redundancy is reduced in Microsoft Assess.
Okay.
It increases the efficiency, flexibility in searching and assessing the information,
Okay.
and reports allow you to present the data in a meaningful and summarized manner in Microsoft Access.
Okay. You can simplify the sentence in your own words also. Arish, it's not compulsory कि go for the book sentence. जो sentences book में as it is लिखे हमें जरूरी नहीं है कि वही लिखना है. You can simplify the sentences on your own. आप अपनी language में इनको लिख सकते हो. Like you had said कि you can break the large information. So just write. MSSF allows you to break large information into small tables. We can store the different information into small tables in Assess, and after that we can join them to get a common piece of information. We can create reports. Instead of writing the full line, reports allow you to present the summarized manner. You can simply write, we can Assess allows you to create reports to display the data in a printable format. Assess also provide the facility to create a user-friendly forms for data entry. Data duplication of the data is reduced. Data redundancy is reduced. It is easier to assess the information or searching the information in MS Assess. Okay? You can write the sentences in your own words. It's not compulsory कि आपने exactly वही line लिखनी है या exactly वही words लिखने हैं. Okay? Yes, Simarpreet? Yes, Arman?
Good morning, ma'am.
मैम सेकंड आंसर देने के लिए किया है.
Okay, second answer के लिए क्या? Name the 2 types of databases, Arman.
मैम फ्लैट फाइल डेटाबेस एंड रिलेशनल
Relational
डेटाबेस.
database.
Relational
मैम
database.
एंड
Simmerpreet,
एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्लैट फाइल
just
डेटाबेस.
एक minute. Flat file database. Simmerpreet, example for flat file database.
Microsoft Excel.
Okay, and example for a relational database.
Microsoft Access. Microsoft SQL.
Okay, Shabad, can you please sit at one place and attend the class? Daily, I can see that you are not sitting at one place and roaming here and there. If you want to attend the class, sit at one place properly. Okay, name 3 elements of the table. What are the 3 elements of table?
Field records
And
Data.
Fields, records, and
records
data.
data.
Correct. Fields, records, data. Okay, name 3 by default buttons on Quick Access toolbar. What are the 3 buttons on Quick Access toolbar?
Save, undo, redo.
Okay, correct. Save, undo, redo. 3 buttons by default appear, and you can uh, add more buttons according which are given in the list. You can customize the Quick Access toolbar. You can add the buttons. You can remove the buttons according to your requirement. But by default, there are 3 buttons available. There are save, undo, and redo. Okay. Next is name. What is the extension of MS Access database?
.accdb.
Correct. A.accdb extension of Access database. Okay. Give command to close MS Access application. What is the command to close Access application? Kavish? Iya? What is the command to close MS Access application?
File menu quit option.
File menu?
फाइल मेन्यू क्विट ऑप्शन.
Quit option नहीं होती बेटा file menu में या file tab में.
मैम
Exit option.
Exit option.
Exit.
File tab, exit option. File tab, exit option. Okay. If I say what is the command to close database?
File tab, close database option.
File tab, close option, or file tab, close database option. Correct. Okay, which pane display the name of objects used in database? Which pane display the name? Navigation pane.
buttons.
Navigation pane, not
Navigation
buttons. Buttons are at the bottom to scroll to move through the records. Navigation pane that display all the objects which are created in a database like forms, tables, queries. All the names are displayed in the navigation pane. Okay, tab that appear when we work with some object are called
Object tabs.
no. Akul?
Ma'am, ribbon.
No.
Ma'am, object tabs.
No, it's wrong. Anyone else? Object tabs that appear when we work with some particular object. सिर्फ उसी object के लिए appear होते हैं. Normal tabs तो हमारे पास हैं. Object tabs जो होते हैं, they are the objects that we had opened. उनके जो tabs बन रहे हैं opened objects के, they are object tabs. But the tabs that appear to work with those objects, what do we call them? Anyone? Okay, anyone else who wants to try?
Ma'am,
That means-
table tools.
No, that means आप सबका ये आंसर wrong है. Contextual tabs. Contextual tabs. Contextual tabs are the tabs that appear when we work with some objects. Do you remember when we insert some picture or clip art or table or chart, some tabs appear only for that object? Like chart insert किया तो chart के लिए object tabs आएंगे.
Yes,
Picture
ma'am.
insert करिए तो picture के लिए format tab appear होता है. अगर word art insert किया तो word art के लिए format tab आता है. Similarly, when we insert to create a table, तो table के लिए दो tabs आते हैं, design tab, right? Similarly, when we create queries, the tabs that appear to work with queries. So tabs that are not permanently displayed on ribbon always, tabs that appear only for a particular object, those tabs are called contextual tabs. Okay? Contextual tabs are the tabs that appear only for a particular object, only to work with some particular object. Clear? They are called contextual tab, but it's given in the book also. In the paragraph of ribbon components वाले page पे आपको books में जहाँ components explain किए हैं MSSS के page number 30. The paragraph of ribbon देखो. Some tabs appear when you work with some objects like forms. Such tabs are called contextual tabs. Got it? Okay. Now, a dash is an organized way of storing information.
Database.
Database, correct. All
Database.
rows in a table are called
Records.
Records.
Records. And all columns in a table are called
Field.
Fields.
fields. All rows are called record and columns are called fields. Full form of RDBMS.
Relational database management system.
Okay, Relational Database Management System. SQL.
Structured query language. Structured query language.
Structured query language. Structured query language. Okay, correct. Okay. What are the four components of MSSS window? What are the four components of MSSS window? What are the four components of MSSS window? Components means parts of MSSS window. What are
Ma'am,
the four
fields,
parts?
records.
No, they are not the part of
Title
window.
bar.
Yes, title bar.
Title bar.
Navigation pane.
Navigation.
Status bar.
If you start the wrong answer, you will continue giving the बेटा आपका आंसर पूरा गलत हो जाएगा. First of all, understand the question. आपसे पूछा क्या गया है? जो records fields आप बोल रहे थे, they are the elements of table. वो table के elements हैं. हमने पूछा MSSS विंडो के कंपोनेंट्स पार्ट्स कौन कौन से हैं विंडो में. तो विंडो में तो टाइटल बार, स्टेटस बार, रिबन, ऑब्जेक्ट टैब्स, नेविगेशन पेन, navigation buttons, all these are the components or parts of the window. What are the four examples of database? Any 4 examples of database? Mind it, examples of RDBMS and examples of database are different. Examples of database means the records of students in a school, the patient's record in a hospital, customers record in a bank, library catalogs in the library, grocery list in the grocery store. So all these are the various database examples of database. What are the various things that will be the database, जिसके बारे में हम information store करेंगे, जिसका हम database create करेंगे. Then 4 examples of RDBMS. What are the 4 examples of RDBMS softwares?
MSSS.
Ma'am, MS Access.
Okay, yes, Pari, very good. Other?
Oracle.
Oracle.
Oracle, correct. Then
SQL.
SQL
Ma'am, yes,
Server
SQL.
or Microsoft SQL. Then
Microsoft Access.
Microsoft Access सबसे पहले हो गया. Sybase,
मैम
Sybase, OpenOffice Base. ठीक है? Okay. Shortcut key to close MSSS application. What is the shortcut key to close MSSS application? Yes, Madhav, Ishan.
मैम Alt plus F4.
Correct. Alt plus F4. What is the shortcut key to save database?
Control.
Control plus S.
Control plus S. Okay. Now name 3 elements of table. इसमें आंसर आएगा जो सरमन ने पहले बोला था. What are the 3 elements of table?
Fields record data.
Yes, fields, records, data. Koshabad had given this answer. Good. What is the extension we had already done, and what is the full form we had already done? Okay. Now let's begin with the composite key, the topic that we are supposed to do today. Here I had created this table. Now keep all of you mute, mute yourself. Now suppose this is a table. I already told you that we create composite key when we cannot set a primary key for a single column. जब हम एक पर्टिकुलर कॉलम के लिए प्राइमरी की सेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, हमें कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए. कैसे चाहिए? Here I had taken 3 fields in my table: class, roll number, contact info. Here I'm going to add the mobile numbers for whole 8th class, all the 4 sections. ठीक है? जो चारों sections के 8th class के मोबाइल नंबर स्टोर करने हैं रोल नंबर के साथ. Okay, I'm going to the data sheet view. I'm entering the records here. Is it visible to all? I am saying 8A, roll number 1, and I am entering the information. You can see मेरा फॉर्मेट देखो ऑटोमेटिकली नंबर वाला आ रहा है, हाइफन भी अपने आप आ रहा है और 10 डिजिट्स के बाद ये लेगा भी नहीं और डिजिट्स. That I had set by using the properties. Roll number 2, then 8B, suppose roll number 5, again 8B, roll number 1, 8C, roll number 2. Mix है all the fields, all the records for all the 4 sections. 8C, roll number 3, 8B, roll number 1, 8D, roll number 2. Okay. Now can you see, you can see easily that in class column, my classes are going to repeat 8A, 8A, 8B, 8C, 8D, again 8A. All classes are repeating. So I cannot set the primary key here, right? In the second column also, I cannot set the primary key as my roll numbers are repeating. Roll number 1, 2, 3 times आ गया, 4 times आ गया, then 2 आ गया, 5 भी आ गया, again 2, 3, again 2, 3. So roll number also getting repeat. So I cannot set the primary key on these fields. ना class पे लग रहा है, ना roll number पे लग रहा है. But if I combine both the columns, roll number class 8A में roll number 1 ही होगा. I should not be able to enter 8A roll number 1. I should not be able to enter 8B roll number 2. That means हर section में एक roll number है. It should not be repeated. So to check that, to prevent that, I can set the primary key by combining these columns. If suppose I'm entering here 8A roll number 1 again, so information is not consistent now. I can see that मेरी टेबल में 8A क्लास के रोल नंबर 1 का एक मोबाइल नंबर यहाँ आ रहा है, एक 8A में रोल नंबर 1 का मोबाइल नंबर यहाँ आ रहा है. आई एम नॉट एबल टू चेक दैट. सो दैट मीन्स डाटा एंट्री में कहीं गलती है, या तो सेक्शन गलत एंटर हुआ है या रोल नंबर गलत एंटर हुआ है. So if I want to avoid those kind of mistakes, I want to set the primary key कि मेरा 8A और roll number 1, 8A roll number 2, 8A roll number 3 या 8B roll number 5 जो combination है that should not be repeated. वो repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. So we can set the primary key by combining these two columns. मुझे ये दोनों columns को combine करके primary key लगानी है so that कि मेरा जो combination है वो check हो सके. Now I'm going to delete this row. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the design view. Select both the fields, class, roll number. दोनों fields को select कर लो by clicking on this row heading. जैसे हम Excel में row select करते हैं. Select one, drag it downwards. Both the rows are selected. Now click on primary key button in the design tab. When you click here, it will set the primary key, show the primary key in front of both the fields. Now save the changes. Go to the data sheet view. Right? Now if I want to enter 8A, roll number 2 and mobile number. Now what will happen? It will give me a message. The changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index, primary key or relationship. Change the data in the fields. Okay, clear? Click on OK. Now I will change it to roll number 9. Suppose any roll number. I can enter another 8B. Suppose मैंने roll number 5 enter किया. Enter the number. Now again it is giving me the message. Why? Because 8B roll number 5 is already existing in this table. I'm going to change it. 8B roll number 5 यहाँ already था. That's why it was not allowing me to enter. Now, when primary key is a combination of two columns, that is called composite key. Okay? When primary key is not set on one column is acting as a primary key, this is a ठीक है, ये primary key है हमारी. When we combine two columns to set a primary key, that is called a composite key. Example is clear now? Okay, this can happen in other databases also. This can happen in other kind of जो आपके tables होते हैं, जैसे like customer table है, supplier table है, product table है. Like same supplier and product information is we are saving in a table. So suppliers can be multiple suppliers can be same for multiple products. Similarly, product can come from multiple suppliers. So in that kind of cases, we can combine two fields to get the primary key, to set the primary key. Clear? So many other examples can be there, like book number, author name and book name. So there can be many books from one author, right? Similarly, same title of the book, same title book जो है वो can be written by many authors. So combination will be unique. So we can set the primary key on two columns whenever it is required, and that is called a composite key. Okay, clear है यहाँ तक? We can sort the data here after entering all the records. We can sort the data here to see the roll number, to see the mobile numbers of only 8A class. So what can I do? I can click on class. I can click on ascending, sort and filter group, ascending option. Or I can right down arrow पे click करके sort A to Z. You will see the mobile numbers of all 8th A class, 8th A roll number 1, 8th A 2, 8th A 3, 8th A 9, then 8B1, 8B4, 8B5. Okay. Now, if I want to see the roll number wise, I can click here, down arrow, sort smallest to largest. So it will arrange the mobile numbers according to the roll number. Now 8A, 8B and 8D. तीनों के रोल नंबर 1 का मोबाइल ऊपर है, then 2 roll numbers from 3 section mobile numbers are there, so we can sort it. And we can also sort it like this कि मैं 8th A के पहले आए, 8th A के बाद रोल नंबर भी साथ में सॉर्ट हो. What can I do? I can select both कि मेरा 8A के पहले आए, 8A, then 8A के रोल नंबर्स भी सॉर्टेड होने चाहिए. I can say click ascending. Now both the columns are selected. Now you can see 8th A के रोल नंबर 1, 2, 3, 9, B का रोल नंबर 1, 4, 5, C का 2, 3, D का 1, 2 in order. I can click on descending. It will give me the opposite. 8th D roll number 2, 8th D roll number 1. Okay, clear? And I can remove the sort by clicking on remove sort option. Home tab, sort and filter group, remove sort option. It will remove the sorting. Now the records are in an order in which we are entering it. जिस order में हम enter कर रहे थे, ये अब उस order में है. Clear? हाँ जी, any doubt till now? Composite key, sorting, or any doubt in the question, test paper? Everything is clear? Akul, no, it's okay, beta. You don't need to take. हाँ जी, yes, Ananya.
मैम कॉन्टेक्चुअल टैब एक बार फिर से समझा दो.
Contextual tabs means the tabs that appear when we work with an object. See here, I'm working with table. Here, two tabs appear, fields and table tab under the table tools. Visible है? Fields and table. ये कब appear हुए? जब when I am working with a table. जब मैं table के ऊपर work कर रही हूँ. If I close it, tabs are not there. Table नहीं है, table open नहीं किया. I'm not working on the table object. Tabs are not there. These are the permanent 4 tabs: home, create, external data, and database tools. These are the permanent tabs on the ribbon. When I was working with table, 2 tabs related to that object appears. Similarly, when I work with forms, again the tabs related to form will appear. When I will work with queries, the tabs related to queries will appear. The tabs that appear for a particular object to work with a particular object, they are called contextual tabs. They appear according to the context of the object.
ओके मैम, क्लियर.
Okay, ji. Anji, any other query? Any other thing which is not clear? After that, I'm going to discuss about the templates, how to create, how to use templates, or how to create a database using a template. Templates are predefined databases, जो already access में define हुए हैं, already बने हुए हैं, हमें सिर्फ उनको नाम select करना है and they will be created. How? I can click on File tab, New option. I want to create a new database. Okay, then blank access database option is there. And if some templates are installed on your computer, installed with MS Access or MS Office, they will appear here. But if they are not appearing and your computer is connected to the internet, you can search for the online templates. I can click on these databases. These are the suggested searches. Keywords आप अपनी तरफ से यहाँ लिख सकते हो. I can write it like library. कि मुझे library से related कोई template चाहिए. I can type here school. कि मुझे school से related कोई template चाहिए. Education से related कोई template चाहिए. So otherwise, I can just click on these suggested words. I can click database. It will give me a list of various commonly used databases. Okay, online database templates are these: time card, personal account ledger, lending library, charitable contributions, customer surveys, faculty, real estate, sales pipeline, issue tracking. Okay, I can select anyone. I'm selecting faculty here. I can click on create. I can give the name of the database here. I want to see, suppose I'm giving it teachers. Click on create. Now, what is this? This is the form. Directly मेरे पास एक form open हो रहा है जिसमें मैं data entry कर सकती हूँ. अब form में other fields, जो भी fields मैंने use करनी है, they are already created in a table. You can click on this navigation pane on the left hand side. It will show you the various objects in this database. In this database, we are having these two forms, faculty details, faculty list. These green color में जो आपको नजर आ रहे हैं ये reports है. Faculty by department. Suppose I'm entering records here. I'm entering the faculty ID, first name, last name, email address, business phone, and department of the name. Faculty कौन से department में है? Faculty की type क्या है? All these can be entered. Fixed values will be there. Then I can create the reports faculty by department. कि अलग-अलग department के faculties की list एक group बना के मेरे पास display हो जाए. Faculty by type. All these things are created ready-made. पहले से बनी हुई है. आपको सिर्फ data entry करनी है. If it suits to your requirement. Similarly, यहाँ पे एक टेबल भी बना हुआ है फैकल्टी का. इस फैकल्टी टेबल में देखो बहुत सारे fields है. These fields have been used in two forms, faculty details and faculty list. जो भी form में data entry होगी, वो data इस table में save होगा. I can go to the design view. You can see how many fields. There are so many fields. देखो कितने सारे fields and their data types and hyperlink, short text, long number, attachment. All these fields have been created. पहले से created है. Data types are defined है. Properties set है. And we can just enter the data when we want to. I can go to the data sheet view. I can enter the data here. I can enter the data through these forms. जो मैंने forms बने हुए हैं already. I can enter the data through these forms. Whatever data I will enter, that data will be stored in these tables. Okay. It will be more easy to understand this concept if you know how to create forms, how to create queries, and how to create reports. Okay? In the next term, when you will learn about how to create queries or how to create forms and how to create reports, you will understand how the various objects on the form are linked to the table, base table. How the various text boxes are having the value from the fields of the table. तो जब आप खुद इनको क्रिएट करोगे, उनको यूज करोगे, देन आपको इजीली समझ में आएगा कि जो रेडीमेड बना हुआ है वो क्या बना हुआ है. हमें बनाना पड़ेगा अपने फील्ड्स लेके, अपने टेबल्स लेके, और ये पहले से बना हुआ है. अगर आपको ये सारे फील्ड्स आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट को मैच करते हैं, देन यू कैन इजीली यूज देम. आपको सिर्फ उनमें डाटा एंट्री करनी है. फील्ड्स ऑलरेडी हैं. अगर कोई फील्ड चेंज करना है, नेम चेंज करना है, फील्ड में कुछ डिलीट करने हैं कोई फील्ड या कुछ एडिशन करनी है, दैट यू कैन डू. बट whatever changes you do in table, you have to reflect those changes in forms and reports also. आपको वैसे ही फॉर्म में और रिपोर्ट में भी उसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग फील्ड्स और टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप नहीं होगा, तो वो भी करना पड़ेगा. सो बेटर है या तो अपना खुद से डेटाबेस क्रिएट किया जाए अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर रिक्वायरमेंट. एंड इफ इट सूट्स यू, सपोज कोई टेम्पलेट आपको 90% भी सूट करता है, देन यू कैन यूज इट. ठीक है, बट अगर आपको ज्यादा चेंजेस करनी पड़ती हैं तो बेटर है कि वी क्रिएट इट आवर ओन. अपने फॉर्म्स खुद बनाए, रिपोर्ट्स बनाए, क्वेरीज बनाए. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स वी विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट टर्म. अभी हमने टेबल्स जनरेट कर लिए, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक बनाया है. नेक्स्ट टर्म में यू विल क्रिएट द फॉर्म्स फॉर डाटा एंट्री, देन क्वेरीज टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द डाटा, एंड रिपोर्ट्स विल बी जनरेटेड. क्लियर? हाँ जी, क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
एनी डाउट? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone.